He said video. What's the black?
Has it got a natural flavour?
Oh my god. It's got a natural flavour.
When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. Ringo vision, Ringo vision, Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo vision, Ringo got the vision. Ringo when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to.
Yes, people, I'm out today and I'm just with Chef Ricardo. It's a good vibes.
A sweet mango in my hand.
What? Chef Ricardo, where you look for right now?
Mango.
Chef Ricardo, at the homeless with the panel, the homeless movement now. I just want to tell you, say thank you. Because look at Chef Ricardo.
Yeah.
A long time with the movement.
Yeah.
And you're a chef.
Definitely.
Yeah.
You don't know the thing,
And you've been representing for Ringo Vision and the whole movement of the community and homeless.
You don't know the thing, bro.
Yeah. So now, guess what now, Chef Ricardo?
Yeah.
We're now on a marathon.
Is it?
Yeah.
2024.
Yeah, 2024 marathon, because guess what now?
Yeah.
We come out at 10 weeks.
Yeah.
After the 10 weeks, we have to enter a marathon.
Marathon, alright.
You know the long distance runner there with in the Olympics.
Yeah.
My man from Africa there.
Yeah, my black guy there.
Yeah,
Whenever I get I know what you're talking
Yeah.
about. I know what you're talking.
It's
I know what
last
you're
brother.
talking.
But
Yeah.
him now,
Yeah.
me I try to keep up with.
I good vibes then. So how far are you there now? We don't say you got about what? Hour?
We have 5,000 odd.
5,000. Yeah.
So
a good vibes.
we just have just about 1%, I think, people, yeah.
Well, the only thing that's a Ringo Vision. Keep up the good work, see how you. You understand? Keep pushing on. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't give up. Because right now, what you're doing right now will be a blessing and prosperity, my youth. Nobody deny to this.
Alright.
And when the movement to see you doing a credit right now, and I hope the people can open them eye and understand that your thing is on a globe to help and to support 1 million people.
That is it, Chef Ricardo.
Big up yourself.
And see the way we are using our fruits and vegetables we are using our people. Yeah, a good vibes. That's that. Big up. A good vibes. So we have the corn them we've been using, the pumpkin them people, yeah. Sour sap. Sweet potato.
Sweet mango there, man. The mango you ring up with.
The mango there.
This one.
A good vibes.
See it?
Yeah.
Very good mango. Don't know. Key and juice. Yeah. Good vibes. Cheers, man. Because we are celebrating today, you know. I'm going to get some jelly coconut. Good vibes.
After a long weekend, you don't know, so where you can put in back in your body is just the goodness, because we're up on a mission right now, people. And the mission right now is to feed 5,000 people. You understand? You hear what Chef Ricardo say?
The mission.
So Chef Ricardo will be joining. Chef Ricardo will be joining with Ringo Vision as a special guest.
100% effective.
How will you go cook for the home, Chef Ricardo? Yeah.
We have something special to come for them.
All right,
I will surprise them. Surprise them.
All right. So look.
Good vibes. You know what I mean? A good vibes. We're gonna have to surprise them. Good vibes.
Cane juice and thing. You understand?
We get some coconut water.
So me hear them made up like Bob Marley, you understand? So you have to understand why I go on up people on the YouTube. Big up on yourself, you don't know. So Ringo Vision say one love, you know.
Big up on yourself.
With the community, yeah. Waps. You there, sir? I lost Waps at Carnival, everyone.
Yeah, I got lost, but I made it back and I went. Yeah, but anyway, listen, big up everyone in the building. Yeah, big up yourself. Thank you everyone for supporting us. Thank you everyone for following us. Thank you everyone for following us on our journey. Big up everyone. Big up Ringo. Big up friends. Big up 24-hour timetable. Big up Chef Ricardo.
He said 24-hour timetable.
Big up M.R. as well.
He said.
Yeah,
so basically, he said big up 24-hour timetable. So yeah, what he's saying is big up table time.
Table time.
And big up 24-hour kitchen.
And big up 24-hour kitchen.
Yeah,
and big up friends as well.
That is it.
M.
A good
R.
vibe. You're outside.
Big up the whole world.
That is it.
Fresh mango. Yeah. But that I call out the name of it.
All right.
You need to have a look for
Yeah, because
you don't know the thing.
Chef Ricardo said we must have a mango in idea. Hey, people, me make you know say a lifestyle. When me say lifestyle, I sit down, you say, you know, I will one, you know, me and Chef Ricardo do out and with the market. And just some things today just go and get purchased because today the day we put back some things in our body, some nutrients in our body. A good vibe. Big up yourself people here. Welcome to the program, 24-hour kitchen. You know say I'm Ringo Vision and I talk to you. And I tell them say, guess what? I appreciate every single one of you guys that's been on the journey with me. You understand? It's been an amazing journey right now, and I want those of you that was questioning and thinking what is actually going on, let me tell you what's actually going on right now. Yeah, we've actually just completed 10 weeks of feeding the homeless. You understand? And now we're going into the marathon. Do you know what a marathon is? A marathon is something when you're coming like, yeah, we are running on the world right now. It's like the world because we've got 1 million people to feed. And we don't know where each and every one of these million mouths are going to be coming from, what walks of life. You understand? What direction, what place, you understand? What country, what area. But we know that the mission is to feed 1 million people. And we have not... Chef Ricardo, at the marathon, what are they now you on? So we are going to use enough pumpkin for the marathon. Imagine, Chef Ricardo, just a quick thing more I say to you, say, yeah? If me I go feed 1 million people, how much pumpkin you think me I go need to feed the 1 million people? Just in a guess.
Maybe about probably about 50 pumpkin, man.
No, man, 1 million people.
1 million, you need probably about 250 pumpkin.
People, look at people. I'm gonna need about 1,000 pumpkin. 1,000.
1,000 pumpkin.
Yeah. So,
somebody buy this to me, please. How much is that? By the way. Come and wait for you. Come and wait for you. Oh, yeah.
Where the pumpkin? Where? No, Chef Ricardo, put the pumpkin on the scale. Put the pumpkin on the scale. Look, all the lady want to know how much the pumpkin. Look, Chef Sammy, what go on? Chef Ricardo, how much the pumpkin? Look, the price beat the lady. Chef Ricardo, what you say? The price beat the lady.
Who's that?
How much is the pumpkin?
8.30.
8.30. I need 1,000 pumpkin here times £8. Do the maths. Chef Ricardo, 1,000 pumpkin times £8.
£8.
That's £8,000.
£8,000.
Yeah, me just I tell you, me brain I work. That's £8,000. So everyone, look, we're trying to feed 1 million people here, and our first mathematics, what I'm trying to show you here, just for the pumpkin ingredients alone, yeah, £8,000.
Just the pumpkin.
Just the pumpkin. I 1 million people. So look, Chef Ricardo, I already done the mathematics. How much it's gonna cost? Me already do the mathematics. How much it's gonna cost to feed the 1 million people? It's gonna cost £10 million.
10 million pounds.
10 million pounds to feed 1 million people.
And you feed 5,000 out of it already.
5,000 out of it already.
That's not a normal thing.
Alright? That me I try to say to the people, yeah, we're on a journey. Yeah, we're going now, we're crying right now, yeah, we're in market. And we just have a reason with Ringo Vision. Big up on yourself, yeah. All of my subscribers and everybody that's on the journey with me, you don't know, say one love and a one vibes and a one unity. When me say one love, one vibes, one unity, and this is a togetherness. When me say all nation, all race, there's no class, there's just unity. You understand? And togetherness, and we run the togetherness with love. We run the love engine. Yeah, cause love engine I go set we free in our life. If you don't have a love engine, we don't know where you're there. Yeah. Chef Ricardo, if them not have a love engine right now, because some people walk with a hate engine.
For real.
And some people walk with a bad mind engine.
That's right.
You see, the love engine is a universal power. A universal power.
Control the planet.
Yeah. All right.
It's all about love right now in 2024. Remember we talked about that the other day, Ringo At.
Yeah.
Right now, love and freedom. That's my two main thing right now around the planet.
That is
it. They love and freedom.
Yeah.
What you want?
That is it.
The greatest thing that's enough.
Greatest
love
thing.
And freedom.
Love and freedom. I want to talk to you for a little bit, you know, because look, you know, I drink a jelly coconut water right now, yeah, something just spark. Yeah. And I said to the people them say, yeah. I said to you say, yeah, this a go on. Imagine you was in the world by yourself. How long would you survive for? Just
one more.
yeah. Just a question. If you was in the world by yourself, how long would you survive for? Alright, next thing now. May I say, look here now. Look around me.
One for me and one for Ringo.
More than one people you see, yes, sir. Yeah? Alright. We in this world, yes, sir, together. And that means I'm going to know people here. We're here together. So because we're here together, we are all what? One people. Because guess what? We was all chosen to be here purposefully, right? Or wrong? Alright, put it in the comment section here, because Ringo Vision talk right now, yeah? Right or wrong? Put it in the comment section here. We are all here as what? One people. You understand? Okay. Vibration we are running on the earth right now. The reason why all are we there. That is it. This is Chef Ricardo. I drink energy, you know. I energy this, you know. The fruitfulness, you know, will come from nature, you know, will come from life itself. You understand? Rejuvenation. Alright, people may try to say we're not here by ourselves. We are here together. So because we are here together, we must think mindful, purposefully. You understand? Not just for the fact of self. You understand? But in the sense of unity. You understand? Unification. You understand? Liberty. You understand? Alright, because guess what again right now, yeah? Because if you did place yourself on the earth, how long would it take you to walk around the earth, travel around the earth by yourself and do things? You understand? And even to multiply the earth, it would be impossible. So the way the Most High and the universe, everything creator, nature, have the thing going, we are here together. So me just have make you know say it's a togetherness and we're in a marathon right now. We are trying to feed 1 million people. You hear me say? 1 million people, yeah? So alright, that is it in the Ringo Vision, so you know. Chef Ricardo about the don't know. More jelly coconut.
That's how we live, sir.
Alright, that is it.
You like wisdom?
One more jelly coconut. Just place the one there, so Chef Ricardo. I eat that. A good vibes. Drink out the one if you all away, you know. Because guess what, looking at me eye. Nah, tell no lie. This has to be the point in life when we see things around us and we acknowledge that life is a beautiful gift to each and every one of us. So let's appreciate it from today. You understand? Let's rekindle the love, not just outside but within ourselves. Let's find that happiness. You understand, people, yeah? Because where the happiness is where the fruit will be. You understand? And that is your garden. Your happiness is your garden, yeah? And I'm telling each and every one of you today to water, to nurture, to allow sunlight to come into that garden, to allow love to flourish from inside, so that outside now, each and every one of us can see the brightness on our faces through our expressions. You understand? That is it. Chef Ricardo,
yeah.
How can I expression you show people every day?
Well, I'm there, I'm going to enjoy. From morning, I'm sun, man. Yeah. Sun wicked out there, honestly. Yeah. I'm a big pub, I do a wrong thing. Anyway, people are good vibes. I'm there with the Ringo Vision and the energy. Yeah. It's just amazing to know that we can just come out and support the thing. Are good vibes. People, bless upon yourself and look.
Respect.
Ringo Vision, that one I want, mad one. I see that one.
Tone man.
That one that
bust
proper.
this for me there, please.
That one I want proper one.
Bust the one for me there, please. People, look. A beer love, I go on idea. You see, if you're watching this video, yeah, you know what's up and you know what's happening here. It is not a joke. You know what I go on, man. I be a love, I go on. I be a energy, I boss. Alright?
Chef Ricardo.
What?
Ringo.
What we say, Pat?
Yeah, man, listen, remember I told you about go do this quickly, man.
Give what 1.5 8?
I want some.
You know what? No, I'm good, man. Come on, man.
and jelly are good. So then thick. Jelly, may I take out, you know? Jelly tough. I buy 2 fish, 3 fish, so I'm coming to the fishmongers as well, people, yeah, big up yourself, if you don't know, so outside at the market, said way. Yeah, I'm just buy 2 fish, a good vibes. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
How are you, my brother?
No, good vibes.
This is my brother, man.
That is
Support
it,
him,
yeah.
look after him, man. Give him like and share, my friend.
That
And
is
on
it.
YouTube. He's the best, man. Helping poor people, man.
Yeah,
He's helping homeless people, my friend. He's the best, man.
that is it.
Yeah, my
people,
friend.
A good vibes.
That's why we just get him, my brother. Yes.
Thank you. Yes, big up yourself, everybody. So yeah, man, I buy 2 things. I just come down to the market today to buy 2 things. You understand? All I look at vibes, all I look at energy with Chef Ricardo as well. You understand, people? Yes, I just get my yam and my fish them now. So go home now and just whip up a little meal for Ringo Vision. Strengthen up back for the journey again, people. Yeah, because guess what? The marathon continues. That is it. A good vibes.